Alright, hey guys, welcome to episode 90 of Adventures in Welding. Today we're going to do just a little metal art project, and the reason I'm doing this today is for my mother, Rosemary, who is gravely ill in the hospital. She's been fighting leukemia for 28 years, and it has really kicked her butt in the last week. So I'm going to ask you guys, I know you don't know me, I know you don't know my mom, but if you could keep her in your thoughts, and if you're a religious person, say a prayer for Rosemary. And in the meantime, I hope you enjoy this little video. We're basically spelling out the word faith with a bunch of bolts. I bought a whole box of these bolts at Harbor Freight for like $3. So I'm just been playing around. I made one that says love, this one says faith, I'll make another one that says hope. And this is not my idea. I don't claim to have originated it. It's just something that I made from seeing another video. But it's keeping my mind off the things I don't want to think about. So play along with me and let's whip this bad boy together. Using the Eastwood TIG 200 AC/DC welder today. I've got it set for 140 amps because we're mainly going to be tacking a 5-second pre-flow and a 6-second post-flow panel control. Of course, it's on DC. Now I'm using my number 17 torch with a gas lens, a 3/32, 2% thoriated tungsten sharpened to a point. The point is flattened out. We begin with the letter F. Like our friends on Sesame Street would say, there ain't a whole hell of a lot to say here. Our friends on Sesame Street wouldn't say that, but I would. Just a bunch of tacking, basically. The crossbars on the A and the H are the only points that I cut the heads off of the bolts. The only thing I really want to make sure of here is that we keep the bottom points as close to flat as possible here. Now we can adjust things later when we weld all the letters together. Won't have a little space in this one. Need a little filler material, just a little peck here, a little peck there, just to solidify things. No big deal. Again, these are nothing more than tack welds. You could probably do them in your sleep. This is the T. I cut the thickness off the end of the vertical piece, the thickness of the cross piece, so that everything lines up nicely. Again, a tack. Here's the H. We line them up, we tack them. Off camera, I flipped them over and tacked the back side so that everything is welded nice and solid. Alright, we're going to put everything together. I'm using a piece of extruded aluminum here just to line up the bottom points. And we're simply tacking them together where everything fits. I made it so that every letter would touch another letter somewhere. And that's where we're tacking them. Yes, I know I don't have that glove on. I really don't care. I'm going to have to use a little filler here to mate the A and the T, I believe. But again, it's really no problem. Little zap. There, Dum-Dum thought about holding that filler metal without a glove. Good thing he changed his mind. Electricity and the human body don't go well together. Flipped it over and I'm simply tacking the back sides of the letters where I tacked them on the front side, and everything welded on the back, welded on the front. Obviously there's no structural integrity, but you don't want anything falling apart. A little spray on both sides. It's good to go. Thanks for watching Adventures in Welding. Please keep my mom in your thoughts.